Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 4C from chapter expansions. So starting with question number 1, expand first part x plus 8 into x plus 10, second part x plus 8 into x minus 10, third part x minus 8 into x plus 10 and fourth part x minus 8 into x minus 10. Now students, you might find this little difficult because you need to remember 4 different identities for all these. Okay, so I'll show you easy way to solve these questions. Okay, so now let us start solving. We'll start with the first part, x plus 8 into x plus 10. Students, this is of the form x plus a into x plus b. Okay, so just write down, we know that x plus a into x plus b. Now I've told you to remember the terms. Okay, I have told you to remember these 4 terms. Okay, x square ax bx ab. Okay, now we have to put signs. Since both a and b are positive, we'll put positive signs throughout. So this is the identity that we need to use. Okay, in short, it is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, we took x common outside, so this is the identity we'll use. So we'll write it down. We know that this is so and so. Okay, now in place of a put 8, in place of b put 10. Okay, so now we'll substitute. So therefore x plus 8 into x plus 10, x square plus a plus b. A is 8, b is 10. 8 plus 10 into x plus ab, that is 8 into 10. Okay, so this will be x square plus 18x plus 80. Okay, so we got the answer. Alright, so it's very easy. Okay, now coming to the second part. Coming to second part, x plus 8 into x minus 10. So write down the question. Okay, now this is of the form x plus a into x minus b. Now you don't need to worry. Okay, so just write down, we know that x plus a, be careful with signs, x plus a का form है x minus b, so x minus b. Again remember the terms x square, ax, bx and ab. Now put the signs. A is positive, so ax will be positive. B is negative, so bx will be negative. A is positive, b is negative. Positive into negative will give negative. Simple. हो गया. Now x square plus a minus b, x कॉमन ले लेते हैं, माइनस ए बी. नाउ वी जस्ट नीड टू सब्सटीट्यूट, a की जगह पे 8 एंड b की जगह पे 10. सिंपल स्टूडेंट्स. सो देयरफॉर x plus 8 into x minus 10 is equal to x square plus a is 8, b is 10 into x minus a into b. Now keep in mind, I have already put the negative signs wherever there is b, so 8 into minus 10 मत करना. ठीक है, already I have put minus sign over here. ठीक है, we have put minus sign for b, so don't put minus sign again. Okay, so just a की जगह पे a substitute कर दो, b की जगह पे b substitute कर दो. Okay, no other confusion. So x square 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10, do 10 minus 8, it is 2 and sign of greater number. So that is minus 2 x minus 80. So we got the answer. Okay, so it's very, very easy. Now third question is x minus 8 into x plus 10. X minus a into x plus b. So we'll write down. We know that x minus a into x plus b. What will you do? Write down the terms first and then put the signs. X square ax bx ab. Simple हो गया. A is negative, so minus ax. B is positive, so plus bx. ठीक है. A is negative and x is positive, so negative into positive will give negative. B is positive and x is also positive, so b into x gives plus bx. Okay. A is negative, b is positive, negative into positive will give negative. Now x square, what we will do, we'll take minus a here, so we will take minus common, so minus a minus b. Whenever you take minus sign outside, okay, what will happen, the signs inside the bracket will change. So minus a x था, तो अंदर ब्रैकेट में क्या है, a पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, and b was positive, so we took minus sign outside, so b will be negative when you take negative sign outside. So if you open the bracket, same आ जाएगा आंसर. ठीक है, ये previous step आ जाएगा. Into x minus ab. So first and last terms are as it is, सिर्फ middle terms में common लेना है. Okay, so don't get confused. We are taking minus common because a का sign is negative, first term का sign, दो terms में से first वाले term का sign is negative, so we are taking negative common outside. a minus b the whole x. ठीक है. Now therefore x minus 8 into x plus 10. a की जगह पे 8 and b की जगह पे 10. ओके, सो साइंस में कंफ्यूजन मत करना. ठीक है. We have already put negative sign for a. Okay, so minus 8 मत substitute करना, substitute positive 8 only. Okay, so x square minus a is 8 minus b is 10 into x minus a into b. Students, again I repeat, प्लीज़ डोंट पुट माइनस 8 अगेन. ठीक है, माइनस ऑफ माइनस 8 मत कर देना प्लीज़. ओके, वी हैव ऑलरेडी पुट नेगेटिव साइन फॉर द फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो डोंट मेक दिस मिस्टेक. एक्स स्क्वायर 8 minus 10 is nothing but 10 minus 8 gives 2 and sign of greater number, that is minus. So minus 2x. Correct. Okay. माइनस 2 हो जाएगा. इफ दिस इज कंफ्यूजिंग, वॉट यू कैन डू इज, ये माइनस एज इट इज है, दिस इज minus 2 into x. ठीक है. minus 8 into 10 gives 80. okay, x square minus minus will give plus 2 into x is 2x. ठीक है, minus 80. so this is the answer. so students, it is very very easy. okay, formula लिख लो. so this will be easy for you to substitute. ठीक है, substitution directly करना है. sub question 4 is x minus 8 into x minus 10. x minus a into x minus b. ठीक है, so write down, we know that x minus a into x minus b is equal to, write down the terms, x square ax bx ab. simple हो गया. now x square will remain positive ax. A is negative and x is positive. Negative into positive gives negative. B is negative, x is positive, minus into plus gives minus. And A and B both are negative, so negative into negative gives positive. Okay. Now यहाँ पे कॉमन लेना है. ओके. नाउ माइनस माइनस वील टेक माइनस कॉमन आउटसाइड. फर्स्ट टर्म, दोनों टर्म्स में से फर्स्ट टर्म देखो उसका साइन नेगेटिव है, सो टेक नेगेटिव आउटसाइड. सो सिंस वी टेक नेगेटिव आउटसाइड, बोथ दीज विल बिकम पॉजिटिव इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. करेक्ट. सो इफ यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट वंस अगेन, you will get this step. Minus a into x minus ax minus b into x gives minus bx. ठीक है. Plus ab as it is. Now we'll substitute. Therefore x minus 8 into x minus 10 is equal to x square minus a plus b, that is 8 plus 10. Now again students, I'll repeat, please don't substitute minus 8 and minus 10 over here. Okay, we have already put signs according to the signs of A and B. ठीक है, already it is substituted with the signs in the formula. So please don't substitute minus 8 and minus 10 over here. Okay. Now plus AB. So 8 into 10. X square minus 8 plus 10 is 18x plus 80. Okay, so this is very easy. Let's read the next question. Question number 2. Expand first part. 2x minus 1 upon x into 3x plus 2 upon x. Second part. 3a plus 2 upon b into 2a minus 3 upon b. Now students, this is not of the form x plus a into x plus b or x minus a into x plus b, because you can see these two are different. Compare karo. Let's say this is x minus a and x plus b. X. This is 2x, this is 3x. So we cannot use this formula. We cannot use this identity. Same thing over here. Notice karo, all the four terms are different. Over here also all the four terms are different. We cannot take anything common outside. We cannot take the numbers common outside. So in such a case, what we will do? Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Same thing. A, B, C, D. Okay? This whole thing, the whole terms. So A plus B into C plus D. What you will do? Multiply this with C. Multiply this with D. Okay? A, C, A, D. Now B. B, C, B, D. Okay. So this is what you get. You will multiply first term with these terms, and then second term with these terms. Okay? So we use this over here. Alright? So, first sub question, 2x minus 1 upon x into 3x plus 2 upon x. Okay? Now students, this is negative. बीच में यहाँ पे negative sign है. So what if this is negative? What you will do? जहाँ b दिख रहा है, put negative over there. ठीक है? A into C पॉजिटिव होगा, A into D पॉजिटिव होगा, B into C नेगेटिव होगा, and B into D will also be negative because it is negative into positive. ठीक है? So AC plus AD minus BC minus B. Simple. So now let us solve. AC. So AC. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. AC. Okay, plus AD, that is A into D, D is this, minus BC, so B and C, so minus B and C Okay, and minus bd, so b into d minus 1 upon x into 2 upon x. Okay, now solve. X will get cancelled, x will get cancelled. Now students, always multiply the numbers first. 2 into 3, 6, x into x square, plus 2 into 2 gives 4, minus 1 into 3, that is 3, minus 1 into 2 gives 2 upon x into x gives x square. Okay? So 6x square plus 4 minus 3, so that will be plus 1 minus 2 upon x square. Easy? Okay students, so this is the expanded form of this bracket. Okay, expand करना है bracket को. All the 4 terms are different, so what you will do? A, B, C, D consider करो. Multiply A with C, A with D, B with C, B with D, and according to the signs, put the signs. Okay? Now coming to the second part of the question. Now in second part, A plus B into C minus D है. So A plus B into C minus D. Now A into C, AC, A into D, AD, B into C, BC, B into D, BD. Now put the signs. A and C both are positive, so positive रहेगा. A and D, A is positive, D is negative. Positive into negative gives negative. B and C both are positive, so positive sign. This is positive, this is negative. So positive into negative is negative. Now substitute. So AC, A and C, 3A into 2A, minus AD, A and D. So 3A into 3 upon B. Now students, I have already put negative sign for A into D. So don't put minus 3 upon B. Okay? We have already put the signs, okay, in the formula. So you just need to substitute the values. You don't have to put the signs over here. Okay, so please don't make that mistake. Now AD हो गया BC, B and C. So plus 2 upon B into 2A. ठीक है? Minus BD, B and D. So 2 upon B into 3 upon B. I repeat, we have already put the signs in the formula, so you don't need to put negative signs again. Okay? Now 3 into 2, multiply the numbers first. 6 A into A gives A square. Over here nothing is getting cancelled. Multiply the numbers first. Numerator में क्या क्या है? 3 into 3, 9. A. Denominator में there is B. ठीक है? Now, यहाँ पे nothing is getting cancelled. 2 into 2 gives 4. A. And denominator में there is B. Okay? Now over here, numerators, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 2 into 3 gives 6 and B into B gives B square. Okay students? Now over here, these are like terms. A upon B, minus 9A upon B plus 4A upon B. So this is basically minus 9 plus 4. What will this be? Minus 5. 9 minus 4 is 5 and sign of greater number is negative, so negative. Okay? So 6A square minus 5A upon B minus 6 upon B square. So this is the final answer. This is the expanded form of these brackets.